a secret to tell you. Come on. Hey, you guys, wait until you see. We're going to use our 5x7 palette sign and this cute, adorable transfer that is a special designer only transfer. Go ahead and rough up that board, ready to sand. We're going to sand it now. I mean, not sand it, but we're going to wax it. Then, of course, I'm going to need to fuzz that transfer, get it all ready to go so that it's not going to be too sticky on my wooden surface. Place it down as best I can, and then we're going to get ready and paste it. I'm going to use the Oh So Neutral Storm Chalk Paste. I just love how easy it is to put in any decor possible. You guys, if you're new, go ahead and type VIP in the comments. I'm going to send you a link with all the good stuff in your messenger. I'll send you a direct message right to you. Just VIP in the comments. Okay, so here we go. We got to embellish. So I'm going to take a little bit of jute, tie it on here. And then I'm going to need to get some more cute stuff. Okay, you guys, here comes the embellishments. We got this cute little leaf and a burlap flower, all to tell you that you didn't come this far to just come this far. Great saying, great message, awesome stuff. CreativeSarah.com for more.